Hi guys, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Sean.
And we're here today to talk about our LuckyAromas Essential Oils. Our essential oils are 100% pure, undiluted, and extracted from certain parts of the plant like the flower, leaf, resin, etc. Our oils are sourced from farmers who have been in business for over 30 years.
Not only are we working with the best partners, but these products are also certified by the Leaping Bunny, meaning that these are cruelty-free. Our oils are extracted through a cold press process.
A little bit of essential oil goes a long way, and our bottles are fit with these special caps that allow you to minimize your pour.
With the Lucky Aroma brand, not only are you getting a high-quality product, but you're getting our commitment at an affordable price. That's our Lucky Aromas Essential Oils.
Give them a smell, and if you like them, tell your friends and family, and remember,
Spread the wellness.